Good morning, students. How are you, students? Very good. You all are fine. Okay. Students, see, what are these? Yes, these are currency notes. So, students, what do your parents give to the shopkeeper when they purchase things from the shop? Yes, very good. They give money to the shopkeeper. Very good, students. So, students, I am going to teach you your 15th topic, chapter number 1, quick recap, and this is video number 10. Students, start writing 15th topic in your copy with me. See, your 15th topic is find the total value of the following currency notes. So, students, for finding these currency notes, what you have to do? Yes, very good. You have to add. So, students, how you will add? First of all, what you have to do? Here, you have to write, yes, rupee 1 plus rupees 2 plus rupees 5. So, rupee 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. We have to add. How we will add? So, start adding. 1 plus 2, 3 rupees, and 3 plus 5, 8 rupees. Very good, students. So, write here rupee 8. So, students, for this also you have to do the same process. Here, see, again you have to find the total value of these currency notes. So, how you will find? Again you have to write here rupees 50. For this, rupees 20 for this currency note and plus rupees 10 for this currency note. And what we have to do? Again we have to add these currency notes. So, see, what you have to do? 50 plus 20. Yes, very good. 50 plus 20, 70 rupees. And 70 rupees plus 10 rupees. Yes, very good. Rupees 80. Very good, students. Students, now I am giving you one problem to solve. Start solving. Jay went to a shop to buy a pencil box. He has following notes in his pocket. See, 50 rupees, 50 rupees and 20 rupees notes. So, if the pencil box costs rupees 150, how much money does he need? So, what we have to do here? We have to write statement and workspace. So, students, first of all, we have to write the cost of a pencil box. So, what is the cost of a pencil box? 150. So, write here cost of a pencil box is equals to rupees 150. Very good. And now, Jay has following notes in his pocket. So, add these notes. 50 plus 50. So, 50 rupees plus 50 rupees is equals to 100 rupees and plus 20. So, tell me students. Yes, very good. If we will add 50 rupees plus 50 rupees and 20 rupees, then it will be rupees 120. So, money Jay has in his pocket is equals to rupees 120. Rupees 120. 20. Now students, tell me the last statement. What will be the last statement? Yes, money he needs. Needs more is equals to. So what you have to do here, students? Tell me, how much money does he need? So here we have to subtract. See, 0 minus 0, very good, 0. 5 minus 2, 3, very good. And 1 minus 1, so 0. And here we have to write rupees. Don't forget to write this unit. Unit you have to write. Okay, so what is the answer? 150, rupees 150 minus rupees 120 is equals to rupees 30. So how much money does he need? He needs more. How much more? Yes, he needs 30 rupees more. So students, any problem in money? No? Very good. So I am going to start your 16th topic, that is pattern. And students, start writing with me in your copy. Observe the following pattern and circle the shape which should come next. So, students, observe the following pattern and circle the shape which should come next. So, I am going to draw some shapes. So students, do you know what is pattern? So a pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. So see students, here 2 squares, again 2 triangles, 1 square. So what will be the next? What shape will come the next? Either square or triangle. Yes, very good. So here 2 squares, here 2 triangles. So here it will be 2 squares again. So we will circle this one. So students, any problem in this? Students, today I have taught you money and pattern. And this is the last topic of chapter 1, quick recap. And in next video, I will start second chapter. So students, now write your homework. So I am giving you homework to write, students. Your homework is worksheet 1.2, question number C, page number 4. One more homework I am giving you, worksheet 6, question 4, page number 11. This worksheet, students, I have given you for pattern, and this worksheet I have given you for money. At the end of this video, I will give you picture of your homework pages.